Question number 15. Write a program with maximum 3 lines code. What the answer has given? 3 lines of code. And that assign first 5 multiples of a number to 5 variable and then print them. So in the 3 lines of code was to assign first 5 multiples of a number and 5 variables you should take and print it. 5 variables. So that is why first you take one input to enter a number, then first 5 multiples, that means suppose if we mention 2 numbers, that means 5 times. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10 should be displayed. So 5 variables I, J, K, L, M, any 5 you can take it because 5 variables you should take for first 5 multiples. So I for num into 1 because number into 1, this is for first, then number into 2 for J, K for num into 3, L for num into 4 and M for num into 5. Then print it I, J, K, L, M. So this is the 3 lines. So in the 3 lines you solve this question. So suppose enter a number. If I have taken 2. Now first 2 1s are 2, second 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10.